How to make bitterly banga soup recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am excited to show you how to prepare a delicious and authentic bitterly banga soup. A rich flavorful soup made with canned palm fruit extract and bitter leaves. If you love traditional Nigerian soup, then you don't want to miss this recipe. Let's get started. Step by step, to prepare the banga base, I will pour the canned pan fruit extract into a pot. Add a little water to help separate any sand from the extract. Strain the mixture into a cooking pot, discarding any residue. Cover and allow to boil for some minutes. Bitter leaf soup, a Nigerian comfort food. When it comes to Nigerian comfort food, bitter leaf banga soup is definitely top on the list. I will season the soup with ground pepper and ground crayfish to the boiling banga base. I will stir well to combine the flavor. To combine the flavors, then I will add the bitter leaves. The bitter leaves is thoroughly washed truly to reduce bitterness. Then I'll add them to the soup and stir. To incorporate the proteins, I will add the roasted chicken. You can add any proteins of choice, beef, fish, or chicken. Then I will add water. To make the soup thicker, I will dilute semolina with water to form a smooth mixture, and I will add it gradually to the pot of soup while stirring continuously to avoid lump. I always dilute semolina with water to Separate the oil from the soup. You guys know I don't like using too much oil to cook my soup. Then I will add the beef and the roasted fish. Then I will cover and allow it to cook for a few more minutes until the soup reaches my desired consistency. If using fresh palm fruit, alternative method, boil the palm fruit until it's soft. Pound the cooked palm fruit and add warm water to extract the juice. Strain the juice into the cooking pot and continue with the recipe as outlined above. This delicious soup is not only a staple in many Nigerian households, but it's also packed with nutrients and has a unique flavor that is hard to resist. The combination of bitter leaves and banga, which is a type of palm fruit, creates a rich and savoring flavor that is absolutely mouth-warming. And the best part is it's actually really good for you too. So now I will season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I think one of the reason why many people don't try making banga soup is because they think it's complicated and time consuming. They imagine having to spend hours in the kitchen preparing all the ingredients and cooking it to perfection. But the truth is, making banga soup is actually quite straightforward, and with few simple ingredients, you can have a delicious pot of soup cooking away on your stove top in no time. I have heard people say that banga soup is only for special occasion or it's only made by experienced cook. But I am here to tell you that that is not just truth. With a little bit of patience and some simple instruction, anyone can make a delicious pot of banga soup. And today I am going to show you just how easy it is. And that is it. With this simple step, you will have a delicious pot of bitter leaves banga soup that is perfect for any occasion. As the soup cook, the aroma start to fill the air. Mmm. Oh wow, 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 wow. I can't wait, guys. And you can't help but salivate at the thought of taking that first bite. The transformation from raw ingredients to a delicious dish is truly amazing and is something that never gets old. And when you finally get to sit down and enjoy a bowl of this delicious soup. It's like a big hug in a bowl. So there you have it, guys. That is how you make a delicious pot of bitter leaves banga soup from scratch. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I hope it inspires you to get into the kitchen and start cooking. Thank you for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let me know in the comment how yours turned out, and if you want to see more recipe videos like this, be sure to check out my other videos for more delicious Nigerian dishes. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and God bless you all. Bye. Mwah. I love you all. God bless you for your support. Please keep engaging with my channels. Don't just watch without liking, without commenting. I need your comment. It means so much to me. Please, guys, engage with my channel. As you do, God bless you all. I love you all and see you. Bye.
There's a little something for you. Yeah. Sure thing. Here's a little something for you. In that sweet kitchen where the flavors sway. Yeah. Okay. Just the kitchen's got the beats to play. Cooking out the rhythm, spices in the air. Every dish a symphony. Oh, we don't compare. Yeah. AK Trust with kitchen. Feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey. Can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll. From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum. Yeah. Okay, just the kitchen's where the magic comes from. Yeah. Every melody's blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, right the way it feels. AK Choice for kitchen.